guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a reveal from Jewelry Candles. This is their Watermelon Splash Cash Bath Bomb. I like ordering these occasionally just to kind of switch up stuff on my channel so you're not always seeing jewelry. But this company does have some pretty unique and fun items. You can get the Cash Bath Bombs. They also make them with candles. They make slime, Play-Doh, different things with hidden prizes inside, and it's a lot of fun. So with this bath bomb, it did turn my bath water a very light green color. It wasn't too pigmented, but looking at their website, it looks like they redid some of the pictures at least, and it looks like the bath bombs are much more pigmented now. I did order this one quite a while ago. So after it fizzed and dissolved, my little container was floating on top. Took me a minute to get the container open. It's not as easy as some of the other ones that you can just squeeze. But inside, I did find a $2 bill. That is the minimum you'll get. I have seen other videos where people got more, so I'm hopeful one day I will find more than a $2 bill, but you'll have to subscribe and keep watching to find out. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.